I'm Anil Kumar, sharing with you a test question on arithmetic series. The question here is, Peter is training for bicycle race. On the first day of the training, Peter rides 4 kilometers and increased his distance by 500 meters each day thereafter. If he continues this training for the next month and a half, that is 45 days, what total distance will he have ridden his bicycle? You can pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestions. Now, as mentioned in this question, Peter starts with 4 kilometers. So the A value, starting value, is 4 kilometers, correct? So let's write down the pattern. It is starting at 4, okay. And increased his distance by 500 meters each day thereafter. That means D, the change in distance is 500 meters, which could be written as 0.5 kilometers, correct? So the next day it will be 4.5 kilometers, and then again 0.5 will give us 5.0, and then 5.5, and so on. So that becomes the series, and clearly this series which we are talking about is arithmetic series, right? So it is arithmetic series where this difference is constant. So this distance difference is D, which is 0.5, correct? So we have arithmetic series. Now the question is, if he continues this training for the next month and a half, that is 45 days, what total distance will he have ridden his bicycle? So what we need to find is sum of distance, right? So we need to find sum of distance for 45 days, right? So that is what we need to find. So you can always use the formula for sum of arithmetic series, right? The formula, as you know, is S of n is equals to n over 2 times, so there are two formulas. One gives you from average value of first and last. Since we don't know the last distance, we'll use the one which has the first term involved, right? So first term with the common difference, which is n minus 1 times d, right? So that is the formula to find the sum. And since we know in this particular case that n is 45 days, so we'll substitute all these values and just calculate. So n is 45, so get 45 divided by 2. 2 times A is 4, first day distance was 4, plus n is 45 minus 1, and D is 0.5, correct? So that gives you the result. Let's use the calculator and figure it out. So what we have here is, we'll do the inside bracket first, or okay, so we have 2 times 4 plus within brackets 45 minus 1 is 44. Let me write 44 times 0.5 bracket close, and then we'll multiply this by 45 and then divide by 2, right? So that gives us the answer as 675 kilometers, right? So the unit for us is 675 kilometers. That is the total distance which Peter is going to ride during the training period of 45 days, right? So we get the answer as 675 kilometers. I hope the steps are simple and easy to understand. You can always share and subscribe my videos, and if you like, put some likes. Thank you and all the best.